Hi, how are you? I'm Pao, and today I'm going to teach you how to open a Onlyfans account. It's easy, it's just a long process and annoying, but it's really easy. Also, I'm going to teach you how to put your bank account and everything. Let me just tell you before we start with all this, it's a annoying process. To put your information is easy. To wait for them to approve, it's annoying. So don't give up and keep trying. I am going to my computer and teach you what we are going to do. Okay, we are now on my computer, so you can see this is one of my videos. You go here to the link that I leave in here and just go to refer link. Now, when you do that, I'm going to get a notification when you create your account, and that way I will connect with you and I will help you to grow up faster and give you tips one by one. So I will help you a lot. So if you use that link, I promise you I will help you and you will make money. So yeah, next you can use Twitter or Google, or if you want to use something else, but I usually just go to sign in with Google. Let me just use one of my crazy accounts and I'll be back. I am using my store account to create this. You see how easy it was? I use my Gmail and that's it. So now that you have your profile, you go to add bank, and then you add your biography, whatever, you add your pictures because they ask you for a picture. Please, if you're going to do adulting stuff, don't add explicit pictures. If for example you are showing your book, like put emojis or something, because they don't like that and they can block your account. So just be like really simple with that. So now that you have that, because they ask you to have a profile picture and to have a banner picture before doing anything. Now you see how it took me automatically to other page. So this is how it starts. You add your country. I'm in America. You confirm that you over 18, and then just complete the verification. That's really easy, honestly. They will ask you in this part to put your ID. I usually use my driver license, so I do that. Let me allow my camera, and they will ask you. I'm not going to do this because I am already using my ID in my other account, but they will ask you to put your ID in here. So you are going to grab your ID like this, and you're just going to put it on your camera, or if you are using your phone, you just put your ID on something and take the picture. Like this is really easy. And then they will ask you for a picture like this holding your ID. I don't know if they do it right now. Let me see. Continue. Let me see if they let me do it like this. Okay, let me take another picture from the back, whatever. And yeah, this is easy. It's just annoying. I'm telling you, they will make you go through this process a lot. So now it's just put your face. So I think that obviously they're going to decline me because I didn't use any pictures of my ID, but I honestly don't want to put my ID in different places. So yes, whatever, I'm leaving here and I'm going to open my own OnlyFans so I can show you what happens after they approve you. Okay, when they approve you, now you can use your profile. So if you go here to bank, it will let you add your information. So you have to go here and do your W-9 form, and then you can add your bank account, but it's only when they approve you. That's easy. Now they will tell you no, they won't approve you at the first time, so you try again and try again. Then if you try like 3 times and they don't approve you, you go here on your profile and go to help and support. Perfect. So now that you are on your support, just go to take me to support. I don't know if you see in your phone, it's going to be on the bottom, and it's going to be this little blue thing that says take me to support. So you go there and you open a new ticket, and then you say, hey, you are going to send your ID, you're going to send your pictures of your face, and then you're going to tell like, hey, I am a real person. I'm trying to sign in your app and it's not letting me do it. Can you please check what is going on? And then after you do that, they be like, oh yeah, of course. And they let you do it. So yeah, but just be patient because they will deny you a few times. And it's not just me, it happens to a lot of people. I had 3 accounts already. I have my main account. It was, I don't know, it was really easy for me to open that one. It was like this. I had the VIP account and it took me few days to open it. Like, it was annoying. And then I had the promotion page, but I never used that one, and it honestly took me few days to have it. So this is really like annoying process, but it's not that hard. Just don't forget to use the link that I'm leaving you below. Go to the link 3 because I cannot leave the Onlyfans link in here because they blocked me. So right when your account gets approved and everything, I'm going to get a notification and I'm going to text you immediately saying trying to help you. That's it. I will give you my followers and I will add you to my friends list. I have over 5,000 followers and I am getting about 50 new followers every day. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any other questions, please just tell me on the comments. I will answer to every single question because when I started on here, no one like literally helped me. I was looking for questions, I was looking for answers, I was looking for questions, whatever. Online, I was like crazy. I was like, how the fuck I get these people to pay me? Because that was the biggest deal for me. I had over like 3,000 followers and I wasn't making any money. So I figured out the way how to do it. And I will teach you all that, but I just need the questions so I can add them to my list and I will answer as soon as possible. Another thing is drop your OnlyFans username in here in the comments so we can just follow each other. I'm also leaving my link. Follow me there, it's free and you can comment my pictures and stuff so you will have some visibility to other people if you are starting. And don't forget that you are beautiful. It doesn't matter what kind of content you do, how's your shape or whatever, you are going to be always beautiful and there are going to be always people that is going to fall in love with you. So yeah, I'm happy you're watching here and just tell me what else you want to see. Mwah.